Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected dignitaries on the dais, ladies, gentlemen, and my dear students. I don't want to take much of your time between a great orator. When they asked me to speak, I said, when you have a great orator, I don't want to waste time, but I would just like to put in or stress in a few things that I assure you that ARRS Matriculation School is going to do in the future. When you ask a student what profession you want to be, the common answer would be, I would like to be an engineer or I would like to be a doctor. Is that so? Students, would you agree with me? So if you want to go into a professional course, what would be your answer? Doctor or an engineer. But ARRS Matriculation School would be giving you all a wider scope. They would not restrain you only to a doctor or an engineer, and that's the reason I am before you all to just give you all an outline as to what other professional you can be. I had requested Mr. Ravichandran to give an exclusive PR for giving a orientation program for the students regarding the Chartered Accountancy course, and which he has assured me that he would do it in future. But in a nutshell, I would like to put in a few importance that the Chartered Accountancy course is going to help, how it's going to help the students. Approximately, students, do you know what is the population of the latest census? Anybody? What is the population of the latest census? Anybody? Some teacher is helping y'all. Y'all can take her help. It's 1.21 billion, right? So, India latest census 1.21 billion people are there, and approximately 31.5 million are taxpayers here. And for this 31.5 million taxpayers, do you all know how many chartered accountants are there along the length and breadth of India? Any idea? For 31.5 million taxpayers, there are only 1,55,000 taxpayers all over India. So I just wanted to stress, students, medicine and engineering alone need not be your career. You all can have your scope widened. You have an excellent scope for the Chartered Accountancy course, and with Mr. Ravichandran's help, I would definitely come another day to give a detailed and orientation program for all the students. At this moment, I don't want to stand in between Madam's speech. So at this moment, I just want to wish the school best of luck. They should reach great heights, and with definitely Mr. ARRS Srinivasan's effort and with his family members, I assure you can be assured that you have put the children in the right path. Good luck.